Hi, I'm Jonah, and this is an introduction to our new video series called Discover New Sounds. And in this video series, we're going to teach how to play in new ways on the native flute. And we're going to do that by teaching new scales. Now, everybody's learned a scale on the native flute. We all learned the Pentatonic Minor. You open from the bottom up, open one hole at a time, and then you close from the top down. Now, that's how we all started. And it's a beautiful scale, and it's so full, and there's years of improvisation that are available within that. But there's a ton of other scales available on the native flute, tons of other sounds. And it's a beautiful way to start expressing yourself in new ways. And these different scales will pull out melodies that you haven't experienced before because they sound different and they feel different. That's the beauty of scales, is they sound and feel different. So you can really learn to express yourself in accordance to what's happening on the inside. You can really play your heart's song. I hope you get a lot out of these videos.